It's a moment of great joy and pride for all of us to gather here for our annual function.
Today is not just a celebration, but also a reflection of our hard work, learning, and creativity. Each performance you will see has been prepared with great enthusiasm and dedication.
We, the students of Class 6U, take this opportunity to express our heartfelt gratitude to our respected MD Sir, Principal Ma'am, Director Ma'am, and teachers for their constant guidance and encouragement, and to our parents. Thank you for your endless love and support. Your presence makes this occasion even more special.
Our earth is full of wonders. From North Pole to South Pole, from east to west, every line of latitude and longitude connects us together. So today, we'll take you on a journey around this beautiful globe. Now please, join your hands, close your eyes, and get ready for the prayer.
Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high.
Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high.
Where knowledge is free.
Where knowledge is free.
Where the world has not been broken up into fragments.
Where the world has not been broken up into fragments.
By narrow domestic walls.
By narrow domestic walls.
Where the words come out from the depth of truth.
Where the words come out from the depth of truth.
Where the mind is led forward by thee.
Where the mind is led forward by thee.
Into ever-widening thought and action.
Into ever-widening thought and action.
Into that heaven of freedom, my Father.
Into that heaven of freedom, my Father.
Let my country awake.
Let my country awake.
Good thoughts shape a good personality. So, Samriddhi of our class is going to present Thought of the Day. Thought of the Day is, the globe is not just a model of our planet. It is a reminder that we all are part of one beautiful world. Though we live in different countries and speak different languages, we share the same earth. Let us learn to appreciate its diversity, protect its beauty, and live in harmony as global citizens. I repeat my thought, the globe is not just a model of our planet. It is a reminder that we all are part of one beautiful world. Though we live in different countries and speak different languages, we share the same earth. Let us learn to appreciate its diversity, protect its beauty, and live in harmony as global citizens. Thank you. A group discussion is not just a talk. It's an exchange of ideas, opinions, and perspectives which help us learn from one another and see things from different angles.
A globe is a miniature, true to scale model of the earth that shows its shape, continents, and oceans. It is used to study concepts like the earth's axis, poles, and imaginary lines of longitudes and latitudes, which helps in locating different places. Unlike a flat map, a globe shows the true shape and size of different land and water bodies and also gives a realistic idea of how the earth rotates on its axis.
Axis and rotation. The globe is fixed on a tilted axis just like the earth. It can be rotated to show how the earth spins from west to east, causing day and night. North Pole and South Pole. The North Pole and the South Pole are the two ends of the Earth's axis, the imaginary line around which the Earth rotates. The topmost point of the axis represents the North Pole and the lower point of the axis represents the South Pole. The North Pole is the northernmost point on Earth. It is located at 90° north latitude. It lies in the Arctic Ocean covered with thick layers of ice throughout the year. There is no land beneath the ice, only frozen seawater. The sun does not rise or set. Every day there it remains, day for 6 months and night for 6 months.
The South Pole is the southernmost point on Earth. It is located 90° south latitude. It lies on the continent of Antarctica, which is covered by the thick sheet of ice like the North Pole. It experiences 6 months of darkness and 6 months of daylight.
Equator. Equator is an imaginary line that divides the earth into two equal halves.
It is drawn around the middle of the earth at 0 degree latitude and is the longest line of latitude on the globe. It divides the earth into two parts, northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere.
Parallels of latitude are imaginary lines that run horizontally around the earth from east to west, from equator up to the poles.
Important lines of latitude include the Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle. These lines also tell us about the climate. The closer you are to the equator, the hotter it is, and the farther you go, the colder it becomes.
The Tropic of Capricorn is located at 23.5 degrees south.
Tropic of Cancer is located at 23.5 degrees north.
The Antarctic Circle is located at 66.5 degrees south.
Arctic Circle is located at 66.5 degrees north.
Heat zones are the different zones where sun's rays fall differently, thus causing different climate patterns. There are 3 different heat zones: torrid zone, temperate zone, and frigid zone.
Longitude or meridian are imaginary lines that run from North Pole to the South Pole. It is used to measure how far east or west a place is from the prime meridian.
Longitudes are measured up to 180 degree east and 180 degree west. They help us determine time and different time zones across the world.
The prime meridian. To measure the longitude, we need a reference point called the prime meridian, which passes through Greenwich, divides the earth into the eastern and western hemispheres. Greenwich is an area of London in England. The prime meridian is a 0 degree longitude. When latitude and longitude intersect, they form a grid, and this grid helps us find the exact location of any place on earth. For example, 28 degree north and 77 degree east marks the position of New Delhi. When the latitude and longitude are used together, they form the coordinates, and coordinates tell us the exact position of any location on earth. Total number of longitudes are 360. Total number of latitudes are 180. Even in the age of digital maps, the globe remains a powerful learning tool. It helps us to understand the Earth's shape, directions, and its time zones visually and clearly. It also helps us to understand the Earth's rotation, Earth's countries, and the Earth's oceans. It reminds us that technology may change, but learning from the globe will always remain the foundation of geography. Thank you. Now, some students of our class are here to present a short skit on a very interesting topic, the globe, latitudes and longitude. Yes, the globe is a window to our world, helping us understand directions, locations, and the geography that connects us all. The title of our skit is The Lost City and the Magic Coordinate. A group of students are trying to find the location of a lost city with the help of globe. Scene 1. In the classroom. One day in class 6, Ria and Nia found an old notebook with a strange message.
To find the lost city, you must follow the lines that circle the earth.
What lines, Ruth?
No, it says something about longitude and latitude, but I don't understand.
Let's ask the globe. Maybe it can help us. Scene 2. Enters the talking globe.
Hello, young explorers. I heard someone needs help. You want to find the lost city?
Yes, but we don't understand how to read these strange numbers like 40 degree north and 70 degree west.
Those are coordinates. To explain them better, meet my two best helpers, latitude and longitude.
Scene 2. Scene 3. Latitude enters.
Hi, I am Latitude. I run horizontally around the earth from east to west. I divide earth into different climate zones like temperate zone, torrid zone and frigid zone.
Latitude measures north-south distance in degrees starting from equator 0 degree. It helps to define different climate zones of the world. Important lines of latitude are Tropic of Capricorn, Tropic of Cancer, Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle. Scene 4. Longitude enters. Hi, I am longitude. I run vertically from North Pole to South Pole. I tell how far a place is east or west from the prime meridian, dividing the earth into eastern and western hemispheres.
and I goes 0 degree to 180 degree east and west.
Longitude measures the distance in degrees, starting with prime meridian 0 degree. It helps in determining the time zone around the globe.
So, if we know both numbers, north, south, east and west, we can find any place.
Exactly. You use latitude and longitude together like coordinates on a treasure map.
So with these lines, we can locate any place on the earth.
Every place has coordinates. Even a hidden city can be also found using latitude and longitude.
When we combine latitude and longitude, we get a coordinate, precise address of a place on the globe. Scene 4. Finding the lost city. Hi, I am Lost City. Come find me at 40 degree north and 70 degree west. That's in North America.
We found it, thanks to longitude and latitude.
Scene 5. The lesson.
See, with latitude and longitude together, you can find any location on earth, even hidden ones.
With us, the world is never lost.
A globe is a model of Earth with latitude and longitude. It brings direction, knowledge and adventure. Thank you.
ग्लोब हमें बताता है कि हमारी धरती कितनी सुंदर है। हर दिशा में अलग रंग, अलग संस्कृति, अलग कहानी। अब हमारी कक्षा के कुछ छात्र आपके सामने एक हिंदी कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं, जिसका शीर्षक है प्रकृति का आंगन।
हरी भरी मैदानों में फूलों की खुशबू छाई है, पंछी गाए मधुर गीत, धरती माँ मुस्काई है, नदी बहती कल कल करती, पेड़ों पर ओस की बूंदें झड़ती, सूरज देता नई उमंग, रात दिखाती सपनों का रंग, पर्वत ऊंचे सागर गहरे, वन है हरियाली के पहरे, बादल लाए वर्षा प्यारी, धरती बने फिर फूलों की क्यारी, प्रकृति कहती सदा सवारो, इसका रूप ना तुम बिगाड़ो, पेड़ लगाओ जल बचाओ, धरती का सम्मान बढ़ाओ, यही है जीवन का सच्चा गीत, धरती से जुड़ना सबसे प्रीत, रखो प्रकृति का सदा मान, यही हमारा सच्चा गान, यही हमारा सच्चा गान। धन्यवाद।
Music is a therapy which helps us calm down. Now it's time for an English song.
Takes to fool this town, and I'll do it till the sun goes down, and all through the night time. Yeah, yeah, I know, I'll tell you what you wanna hear, keep my sunglasses on while I shed a tear, it's never the right time. Yeah, yeah.
जीवन में खुश रहने के लिए संगीत सबसे अच्छा तरीका है और इसी के साथ हमारी कक्षा के कुछ विद्यार्थी आपके सामने गीत प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं।
छोटी सी आशा मस्ती भर बनती, भोली सी आशा चांद तारों को छूने की आशा, आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा। दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा। महक जाऊं मैं आज तो ऐसे, फूल बगिया में महके हैं जैसे, बादलों की मैं ओढ़ूं चुनरिया, झूम जाऊं मैं बन के बावरिया, अपनी चोटी में बांध लूं दुनिया। दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा मस्ती भर बनती, भोली सी आशा। धन्यवाद।
Poetry is the word given to our imagination. Now some students of our class will recite an English poem, Whispers of the Globe.
Whispers of the Globe. Upon a standard sparrow's pen, a world within a world so thin, of oceans blue and forests white, of mountain peaks the clouds can't hide. It whispers tales from every shore, of deserts, ice and jungle lore, of cities bright with neon fire, of quiet lanes that never tire. Each line of latitude a song, each longitude where dreams belong. Invisible yet deeply true, they guide the winds, the skies, the view. It turns beneath both sun and moon, it hums a universal tune. No border drawn by human hand can break the pulse that spans the land. O globe, you cradle all the yarn, from northern lights to southern stars. You spin, you teach, you let us see. We are threads in Earth's great tapestry. Thank you.
Now Shreshtika of our class is going to give an instrumental performance.
without speech. Now let's enjoy our wonderful dance performance.
Oh, it's plastic again. I've been seeing too many nowadays. Tens of thousands of animals, like cows, birds, whales, turtles, die every year due to plastic. Plastic in the gut just stays there, stops food digestion, often leading to slow, painful death. Plastic takes up to 1,000 years to decompose. So even after killing an animal, it goes on to kill many more. It was too late for these animals, and if we don't act, it will be too late for everyone. Out of 300 million tons of plastic produced annually, only 10% gets recycled. That means we have a lot to do. Let's get started.
प्लास्टिक थैली हम सबने अब ठानी, अपना लो कपड़े की कोई थैली नहीं पुरानी। ये सोच सयानी, ये सोच सयानी, ये सोच सयानी, ये सोच सयानी। छोड़ो प्लास्टिक थैली हम सबने अब ठानी, अपना लो कपड़े की कोई थैली नहीं पुरानी। ये सोच सयानी, ये सोच सयानी, ये सोच सयानी, ये सोच सयानी।
टिक 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 कसम ये खाए रे। टिक 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 प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए रे। टिक 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 कसम ये खाए रे। टिक 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 प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए रे। अगर सुन लो संभल लेना हम तो हम ये फट जाएगा कि बहती सी नदियाँ का ये पानी रुक जाएगा।
अगर सुन लो संभल लेना हम तो हम ये फट जाएगा कि बहती सी नदियाँ का ये पानी रुक जाएगा।
कि कर दो रहम धरती का ये दम भी घुट जाएगा। कि कुदरत की नस नस में जहर ये बस जाएगा। प्लास्टिक के हम सब मोहताज हैं, कैसा ये समाज है।
कल ना हो हाथों में आज है,
मौका ये अपना कमाएंगे। टिक 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 कसम ये खाए रे। टिक 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 टिक
प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए
की हवा से। धरती मेरी माँ है, मेरी जान इस पे कुर्बान है। माँ की सेवा करना मैंने माँ से ही सीखा। इस माँ की ममता देखो, हर दर्द अकेले सहती है। हमको सांसें देने के लिए दिन रात ये मेहनत करती है। नदियों